This sealed silo automatic feeding and discharging rotary kiln is specially used for coating the conductive layer on the cathode material of lithium-ion batteries, and can also prepare C anode materials. It can realize the coating and modification of powder materials by continuous CVD method. The vacuum system is combined with the sealed automatic feeding and discharging system, so that the materials can complete the whole process under a protective atmosphere to avoid oxidation.